Hello, my name is Philip Milazzo, and I'll be walking you through the medical transport robots, circuits, and sensors. Over here, we have our circuit and our code right here. I'll walk you through this. Over here, we're using our Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller board based on the AT Mega 328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs. 6 analog inputs, a 16 megahertz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, a power jack, an IC SP header, and a reset button. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect it to the computer with a USB cable or power it with an AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. You can tinker with your Uno without worrying too much about doing something wrong. Worst case scenario, you can replace the chip for a few dollars, start over again. So that's what we have here. We're using a 9-volt battery over here to power our breadboard. Our breadboard is going to go ahead and give us DC voltage down these two branches here. I'll zoom in, you'll see that our negative terminal is right here on the right, and our positive terminal is right here on the left. Over here, we're using our HC-SR4. Bring up this data sheet right here. It's an ultrasonic ranging module, HC-SR04. Now, the unique features here is it's a ranging module. Provides 2 centimeters to 400 centimeters non-contact measurement function. This is what we're going to use for one of our sensors. If there's an obstacle coming up, this will detect it within our range. I believe it's 20 inches, and it'll send the signal to where it needs to go. Very simple design. You have 4 connections right here. This is our timing diagram. All right, now over here we have our PIR sensor. It is a passive infrared sensor that has elements made of crystalline material. It generates electric charge. We use this one as well. This is a infrared sensor we're going to use as a secondary sensor. And let's see, what else do we have over here? Over here we have our DC motor. This is going to power our wheels. Over here we have our L293 Delta chip. That's going to help us control our circuits. Have a buzzer right here for the alarm. All right, so if we come over to our code here, break our code out, we have, we've got too much. Bust out our code. We're going to start our simulation. And you can see we plugged our Arduino in here. We have 286 RPMs. As our code progresses here, our ultrasonic distance calculations are right here. You'll measure our duration right down here. Right here, the PIR sensor, I'm sorry, I apologize. The PIR sensor is going to detect the last set of medication. And that's how it's going to work. This is how the robot's going to move, and this is how it's going to be controlled. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you for listening.